Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a new feature in Schoology that allows you to integrate Microsoft Teams for Teams assignments. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have Teams open, as I do, and we're going to need to create a new team that's going to link to the Schoology course that you've created. I've already done this, but I'm going to show you what to do. Click on the top right button here that says Join or Create Team, and then Create a Team. You're going to click on Class. You're going to keep this the same and just use this template. You're going to give your team a name and a brief description and click Create. After you've done that, you can go back to your Schoology course and you can go up to Add Materials. Go down to Teams Assignments, click, and then it will open up this window that will allow you to link a Teams assignment to this Schoology course. You can see that it's already picked my Training Grounds course, and then you will click Create. Once you click Create, it will launch Teams again. Once Teams reloads, you'll be inside of the team created for the Schoology course in the Assignments section. You have several options for creating an assignment over here. You can do an assignment from a learning accelerator. You can create a quiz, or a survey, or a poll, or you can use an existing assignment that you already have. We're going to go ahead and do the Learning Accelerator for this particular example. So click on that, and it'll bring up this page here. We have to put a title in, or else it won't let us advance. We're just going to call this Test. We're going to go to Learning Accelerators. We're going to do Reading Progress. We're going to browse the sample library of samples. Click on Secondary, this particular one, and we're going to click on this one, Empire Builds on Paper. When you select this, it will bring up the assignment here in this window. Over here to the right, you have some options. Number of attempts. You can allow the students unlimited attempts, or you can limit it. We're just going to do 3 for this. Time limit. You can select up to a maximum of 10 minutes or a minimum of 1 minute. So we're going to just keep it at 10 minutes. Time limit cutoff feature will cut them off after 10 minutes. We're going to keep that on. Pronunciation sensitivity, we can make that less sensitive, default, or more sensitive. We'll just keep it at the default. There's a reading coach option, which will identify their most challenging words and support them, help them for independent practice. Keep that on. There's a comprehension section. We're just going to leave that off by default. And when you click on Require Video, when the students hit the student view, it's going to bring up their camera as well as the audio. So they're required to be on camera as well. So we just keep that on default. So we're going to hit Next. Everything looks good here. You can enter instructions if you'd like. We're going to make a due date here. Just for this example, we're going to do Wednesday, November 27th, 11:59 p.m. The course is Training Grounds. It's available to all current students. You can add a rubric if you like, or you can add points. Points are required when linking an assignment to Schoology. So we're going to just see which one. You can do a reflect check-in if you'd like, which will allow the students to express themselves after the assignment. I'll show you what that looks like, how they feel about the assignment. Good. And they can show the emotion that best describes what they're feeling: calm, cheerful, creative, so on and so forth. Stay happy. So that's what that's what's gonna pop up for them after they finish the assignment. So we can go ahead and click Assign. Now when you're back in Schoology, the main page, you can go to Materials at the top, go to Add Materials, and we're going to go back to Teams Assignments. Click that, and you'll see it'll bring up this page. And now you'll see the assignment we just created at the bottom here. So we'll go ahead and click that, and we'll link that. So it's going to sync that with Teams, and then you'll see the assignment is here in the Materials section, Test. So we'll click on that just to double check it. You can see the class is Training Grounds. The attachment is the one we picked in Empire Built on Paper. and out of 20 possible points. And then they will open it in teams to go ahead and take that test.